friends! Welcome back to another fun drawing adventure. Today we're visiting the wetlands to draw three amazing animals: a frog, a sea turtle, and a chameleon.
Let's draw a chameleon. Chameleons can move their eyes in two different directions at the same time. One eye can look forward, while the other looks behind. Here is another incredible fact. A chameleon's tongue can be longer than its entire body. Chameleons can shoot their tongue out in less than a second to catch insects. Many people think chameleons only change color to hide. But they also change color to show their feelings and communicate with other chameleons. Their feet work like tiny tongs that help them grip branches.
Let's draw a frog and learn some fun facts. Did you know that some frogs can jump more than 20 times their body length? Here's another amazing fact. Frogs don't drink water with their mouths. They absorb water through their skin. Some frogs can change color to blend in with their surroundings. This helps them stay safe from predators. Want to hear something funny? A group of frogs is called an army. And here's a super cool fact. Some frogs freeze during winter and thaw out when spring arrives. Then they hop away like nothing happened. Wow, frogs are incredible. Now let's draw a sea turtle. Sea turtles can travel thousands of miles across the ocean. Some migrate farther than many people travel in a lifetime. Here's a cute fact. Baby sea turtles hatch from eggs and race to the ocean all by themselves. Sea turtles can hold their breaths underwater for several hours while resting. And here's something amazing. Female sea turtles often return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs. Did you know sea turtles have been living on Earth since the time of the dinosaurs? That's more than 100 million years ago. Sea turtles are true ocean adventurers.